Here's a nice and easy automation that you can sell to a yoga studio for $399 every single month. And it's basically gonna run their entire business on autopilot while helping them with all of these things right here. So it starts off when the customer books a class on the yoga studio's website, they automatically receive an email with a survey to figure out exactly what the right class and instructor is for them. Once they submit, it checks if the class is full or not. If the class is full, it adds them to a waitlist, sends them an SMS whenever the spot opens up. But if the class has open spots, it sends them a confirmation email and SMS. The instructor, receive this information through their booking system and CRM figure out what their schedule is and who the new signups are. Then we're gonna wait 24 hours before the class actually starts. We're gonna send a reminder, SMS and an email to make sure that they show up. And finally, once the class is completed, we're gonna make sure that we send a feedback email. If the response was negative, we're gonna create a task for a customer success rep to reach out and figure out what the issue was. But if the response was positive, we're gonna send a thank you email with a link to a Google review request and a discount on all future classes. Our yoga studios are an underappreciated and under-targeted niche. Usually the teams are very small and the instructor, most of the time, has to manage all of the aspects of the business as themselves to building them. Automations like these can act as almost an extra employee for them at a very affordable price. Bring ease to your yoga studio with smart automation. Simplify class bookings, manage clients, and focus more on teaching. DM me now to get started.